Sawadee Kap. Welcome to Break Time with Monte. Today's story, what do Bankokians do when it floods? It's the hot, dry season here in Bangkok, but that doesn't mean it can't flood and rain. So what do people do when it floods? It's the hot, dry season here in Bangkok, but that doesn't mean it can't rain. In fact, this is also the season of sudden storms. Today, about noon, the sky opened up and the rain poured down for more than an hour. That means flooding on many of Bangkok's main streets. What do people do when it floods? Many people take off their shoes and wade through the water. They cover their heads with umbrellas or anything else they can find. Some try to keep dry on the back of a motorcycle taxi, but not always successfully. But most of all, Bankokians smile. And now today's vocabulary. Pour, season, storm, successful, sudden, wade. That's today's story and vocabulary. You have a great day. I'll see you next time on Break Time with Monte.